Hello friends, in today's video we'll see how we can add a icon and how we can update the text on the action bar of a mobile app. So first we'll start by updating the text which is displayed on the action bar. So for that we have to go to the projects and then go to resources, values, and in that we have to select the strings.xml. So whatever app name we give while saving the file, that name would appear here, and here we can update it. So days between dates. So I want to update this, and okay, we have done this. We'll close it. Next, we will add the icon to the action bar. So for that, we will open the Java file and we will add these lines. First, we create an object of the class action bar, and then we set display show home enabled to true, which means the action bar has to be displayed on the first or the home page. And in this line, we are setting the icon to be displayed on the action bar. So if you have seen my previous video, you'll know whenever we create an icon, it would be present in a map folder. So in that we had created calendar icon. So I'm going to use calendar icon which I have used here. So we have just referenced that item. So okay, we'll just run the code now. So now you can see the icon which we had selected and assigned to the action bar icon, and also the text which we had updated in the strings.xml file. I hope this video was useful. Thank you.